Welcome back to another video, guys. My name is Matt and I am a freelance content creator based in Austin, Texas, and today I will be showing you what's on my desk. But before we get started, I just want to say thank you to all of you who have subscribed and watched my previous video. I didn't think the video was going to perform as well as it did, but I'm happy to see that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy this one as well. So let's get to it. The desk I am using is the Uplift V2 commercial standing desk with a matte white tabletop that measures 72 inches by 30. With 4 different storage settings, I can easily adjust the desk to a preferred height depending on how I'm feeling that day. If you are looking into getting a standing desk, I highly recommend it. It really helps when not having to sit at your desk all day. One of the questions I get asked the most is, what monitor stand is that? This beautiful walnut shelf is from a company called Grovemade. They offer a variety of premium desk accessories, including this organizer tray where I store a couple of pens, my Apple Watch bands, as well as my favorite unboxing knife, the Microblade 2.0 by Wesson. Flipping this open never gets old. To add a little contrast to the all-white tabletop, I have an extra large Grovemade matte black desk pad, and on top of that I added the Delta Hub mouse pad. The gray felt mouse pad not only looks great, but adds a bit of comfort for when I'm typing on the Logitech MX keys. The Logitech MX keys for Mac is definitely one of my favorite keyboards. The backlit is bright with excellent battery life, and it can connect up to 3 different devices. And to complement the keyboard, I am using the Logitech MX Master 3 mouse paired with the Carpio wrist rest from Delta Hub. The Carpio helps balance the pressure between your wrist and palm, which in the long run may prevent carpal tunnel. Now let's talk about the displays. In my previous video, I was using the LG Ergo 27QN880 as my main monitor, but I recently purchased the BenQ EX3501R 35-inch Ultrawide. And I'm not sure why it took me this long to get an Ultrawide, but I am so glad I finally did it. Having a resolution of 3440 by 1440 on a single display not only offers plenty of screen real estate for multitasking, but gives my desk a really clean and somewhat minimal setup. The curved Ultrawide provides a whole new experience to watching a movie at your desk, especially when it matches the aspect ratio of the display. For audio, I have the Bose Companion 20 speakers. I like these for their simplistic design, and I didn't want anything that was going to take up too much space, so these were perfect. I use these mainly for music, and sometimes for movies or when I'm editing my videos. I also added a second display at the bottom, which makes reviewing my footages very convenient. This portable monitor is by a company called Desk Lab, and it measures 15.6 inches and has a 4K Ultra HD resolution. It has touchscreen capabilities, but unfortunately it is not compatible with my Macbook Pro due to Apple's limitations. The Desk Lab monitor is super thin, and I can carry it with me if needed when I travel. It has a leather cover that can be used as a stand, but on my desk I prefer using this cheap stand I got off Amazon. What I like most about this monitor is that it uses a single USB Type-C cable to provide power and video. And if you were wondering what that little mysterious knob was sitting in the back, it is the controller for the BenQ ScreenBar Plus monitor light. By rotating this knob, I can control the brightness as well as the color temperature. I personally like using this light a lot. I use it whenever I need to light up my desk to tinker with something, or just to use it as a desk lamp. To keep my iPhone charged, I am using the Grovemade MagSafe charger stand. This thing weighs close to 3 pounds thanks to the solid metal base. And on the other end of my desk, I have the Disc wireless charger by Some Products. It has an all-metal body design, and I usually charge my Bose Quiet Comfort earbuds on it. Now if you're wondering what I'm using to power everything, it's my 2016 15-inch MacBook Pro. It's not the latest and greatest, but it's still a solid performer. My dual displays are connected via USB-C on one side, and on the other side I have the power cable, my Bose speakers, and a Satechi USB-C hub. I am actually in the market for a better hub, so if you guys have any recommendations, please leave me a comment and I will be sure to check it out. One of the newest additions to my setup is the unique looking table lamp from Crate & Barrel. The base is made of genuine black marble with a frosted glass diffuser. I went ahead and installed a TP-Link Casa KL130 multi-color bulb so that I'm able to control the lamp with my phone or voice. As a matter of fact, I have smart home products throughout my house and have been a fan of home automation since 2015. And to the right of my desk, I installed 3 matte black metal floating shelves that I got from a company called CB2. They are not too bulky and complements the wall very well. They were designed to overlap each other, and you can arrange them in a variety of ways. And one of my favorite items on the shelf is the Zero headphone stand by Uppercase Designs. It can easily pass for a modern art decor piece. I use it to hold my Bang & Olufsen headphones, and they are within reach when I need them. When I'm recording my voiceovers or editing my videos, I like using the headphones to make sure that the audio quality is up to par. For my voiceovers, I am using the Rode NT USB mini microphone that I purchased for under $100, and I bought a mic stand from Amazon for less than 15 bucks. In my previous video, the voiceover's volume was a bit low, but after watching a few tutorials and applying it to this video, I think it sounds much better now. Alright, now let's jump over to one of the most important pieces in my office, the chair. This is the Herman Miller Gaming Edition Cell Chair. It is nearly identical to the original Cell Chair, except you can choose from a variety of color combos, including blue, neon green, purple, and red. I went with the Studio White and Red combo, and having owned many chairs before, nothing is as comfortable as this one. Not only is it stylish, the quality is what you would expect from a premium brand like Herman Miller. You can fine-tune and adjust the chair's arm height and width, seat depth, and tilt tension. If you are looking for a new chair, definitely check this one out. And let's not forget about my chair mat. It's not an ordinary mat you can buy just anywhere. What do you think it's made out of? If you guessed glass, you are correct. This is the Vetrazza glass chair mat. It is super strong with a polished edge and weighs almost 40 pounds. It does come with a premium price tag, but I know it will last me many years to come. Having a surface like glass allows my chair to glide smoothly and comfortably. You can choose from a variety of sizes to fit your space. Well, that pretty much sums up everything that's on my desk. I've added a link to all of the items that were mentioned in the description below, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment. I am not sure what my next video will be yet, but if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Until next time, thank you for watching.